The Circle of Unity. Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush and sprawling jungle, there lived a magnificent lion named Leo. Leo was not only the ruler of his pride but also the guardian of the entire jungle. Under his wise and just rule, all the animals coexisted harmoniously, creating a delicate balance that sustained life for generations. Every morning, as the sun painted the sky with vibrant colors, the jungle awakened to the sounds of the dawn chorus. Leo would climb to the highest point in the jungle and let out a mighty roar that echoed through the trees. This was the signal for all the animals to begin their day. Among Leo's closest friends were the mischievous monkeys led by Marlowe, the elder and wiser of the group. The monkeys had an uncanny ability to scout for food and warn the other animals of potential dangers. In return, Leo protected them from predators like the crafty crocodiles that lurked in the river. Down by the riverbank, the elephants led by Ella were enjoying a leisurely bath. The youngest elephant, Little Sam, splashed playfully, filling the air with laughter. Ella had a unique bond with Leo, and together they ensured that water remained abundant for all the animals during dry spells. In the thick canopy of the jungle, the sloth named Stella moved slowly from one tree branch to another, living her life at her own gentle pace. Stella's calming presence reminded everyone of the importance of taking time to appreciate the beauty of the jungle. Nearby, the wildebeest grazed on the grasslands. They were always on alert, knowing that predators could strike at any moment. Leo admired their vigilance and relied on them to be the eyes and ears of the jungle. As the day progressed, Leo would often visit the watering hole, the heart of the jungle, where all the animals gathered to quench their thirst. It was a magical sight to see predators and prey side by side, united by the common goal of survival. One day, a drought struck the jungle, and the watering hole began to dry up. As tensions rose, fear and desperation threatened to break the circle of unity. The wildebeest blamed the monkeys for not warning them about the approaching drought, while the monkeys felt abandoned by the elephants for not sharing their water. Leo knew that harmony had to be restored, or the jungle would crumble. He called for a meeting of all the animals and reminded them of the strength they possessed when they worked together. "Each one of us has a unique role to play," Leo roared. "We are all connected, and only through unity can we face the challenges that nature presents us." The animals listened to Leo's wise words and realized that they needed each other to survive. The monkeys promised to be more vigilant in warning the wildebeests of any impending danger, and the elephants pledged to share their water generously during the drought. With newfound determination, the animals set out to face the drought together. They dug water holes and shared resources, supporting one another through the toughest times. Their bond grew stronger as they realized the strength they derived from their unity. As the rains finally returned to quench the parched earth, the jungle rejoiced in renewed life. The animals celebrated their success and, most importantly, the resilience they discovered through unity and understanding. From that day on, the jungle thrived like never before. The animals continue to live in harmony, each one contributing their unique gifts to the circle of life. And at the heart of it all was Leo, the wise lion, who taught them that in unity, they could conquer any challenge and find strength beyond measure. And so, the legend of the lion and other animals in the jungle spread far and wide, a testament to the power of unity and cooperation in the grand tapestry of life.